If you're watching this video today, it means you already feel something is holding you back financially, even though you work hard, even though you try to save, and even though you want a better life. The truth is, most people don't stay poor because they don't earn enough. They stay poor because of a few silent money habits that drain their future every single day. And in this video, you're about to discover the 5 money habits keeping you poor, the same habits trapping millions of people without them even realizing it. If you watch till the end, you'll understand exactly what's stopping your financial growth and how to break free from it, starting today. Let us begin with something people rarely talk about. Most people lose money not because of their income level, but because their money priorities are broken. Think about it. When money hits your account, what's the first thing you spend it on? Bills, shopping, hanging out, or do you pay yourself first? The uncomfortable truth is this: people who don't pay themselves first always stay stuck. When you put entertainment, comfort, and instant pleasure above your future, you automatically wipe out your chances of building wealth. But when you pay yourself first, even a tiny amount, to unlock the first door to financial freedom. The second silent habit is even more dangerous: not tracking your money. If you don't know where your money goes every day, you will never know why it disappears. Wealthy people have one thing in common: they know exactly where every dollar is going. You don't need complicated apps or spreadsheets. You only need consistency. Track your daily spending, review your weekly patterns, and analyze your monthly habits. This single practice alone can eliminate 20 to 40% of your wasted expenses. And it's no surprise that how to fix money habits fast and why I am always broke are some of the highest searched terms online. People need the answer, but they never take action. Now, let's talk about the habit that keeps the maximum number of people poor. Habit number 3. This habit destroys more bank accounts than low income ever will. And that habit is emotional spending. When you feel tired, stressed, lonely, or unmotivated, you spend it. Small purchases feel like comfort. A sale feels like a reward. An impulse buy feels like happiness. But this happiness comes at the cost of your future. One small purchase becomes thousands at the end of the month. This is the real difference between the wealthy and the broke. Wealthy people make decisions with logic. Broke people make decisions with emotions, and regret follows soon after. The fourth habit is a habit most people don't even notice: not investing in new skills. The world of 2025 is changing faster than ever. Hard work alone isn't enough anymore. You need smart skills: AI usage, content creation, digital selling, automation, online freelancing, and high-income skills. One good skill can double your income in 90 days. But people who refuse to learn stay stuck in the same cycle for years. Search volume proves it. Keywords like skills to make money in 2025 and best digital skills to learn fast are booming. People want answers, but success only comes to those who actually learn. And now, the fifth habit, the habit that locks people into poverty for years, the delay mindset. People keep waiting for the perfect time. They say, I'll start saving next month. I'll invest when I earn more. I'll learn when I get free time. But that perfect time never arrives. Wealth comes to those who take small steps now, not someday. Even starting with $1, $10, or $100 can change everything. Even 10 minutes of learning a new skill each day can change your entire financial future. Waiting keeps you stuck. Action moves you forward. If you fix these 5 habits, your financial reality will transform faster than you imagine. Because money doesn't grow from math, it grows from mindset, discipline, and daily choices. If you stop impulse buying, start tracking your money, learn growing skills, pay yourself first, and eliminate delay, then in the next 6 months you can achieve what you couldn't achieve in the last 6 years. If you're still watching, it means you truly want change. And if you apply what you learned today, your savings will grow, your income will rise, and your confidence will become unstoppable. Make a decision today. You will take responsibility for your financial future. That one decision separates successful people from those who only complain. And if you want your financial growth to go to the next level, visit the channel for the next video. Your transformation continues there.